Alright guys, in this video we are going to reverse engineer this simple metal nail using FreeCAD. Instead of using a 3D scanner, I will carefully measure every important dimension with precision tools and recreate an accurate 3D model from scratch. By the end of this video, you will see how a real world object is transformed into a digital CAD model step by step. This is reverse engineering with FreeCAD episode 1. Let's get started. We are inside the FreeCAD environment. As usual, I create empty file, new body and new sketch. First we are going to make the head of the metal nail. So I measure it with my vernier caliper. The diameter we measured is almost 6.5. Let's apply that value in FreeCAD. Here I select the XY plane and click the circle icon and draw the circle for the diameter of 6.5 mm. Let's close it and our sketch is ready. Now we have to pad it. Click the pad icon as the sketch selected. Now we have to measure the height of the neck portion. The value I got is almost 2.5 mm. Now we have to enter that value here, that is in length section. Now we have to make the head to neck area taper. So double click the pad that is already created and adjust the angle value to minus 39 degree, which will give perfect taper for the nail. Just close it and now we have to measure the diameter and the length of the shank. I got the value which is 2.5 mm and 44 mm respectively. Now select this face and click new sketch. In that sketch, click circle and draw the circle for 2.5 mm diameter. Just close it and now we have to apply the pad to the sketch. Click the pad icon and set the length to 44 mm and click OK. Guys, I have noticed there is a rift between neck and shank of the nail. To correct this, double click the pad that made for shank and select two-sided option in mode. In side to length, put 1 mm. Guys, our nail is almost ready. There is one step remaining. We are yet to design the sharp edge of the nail. Select this face and no need to draw the sketch since the circle size and diameter is same. Just directly click the pad icon. Here enter the length as 3.5 mm which I have measured previously and enter the angle as minus 19 degree to make it sharper. Click OK and close it. Now our nail is almost ready. To make it perfect, we have to add a fillet on the edge that formed between shank and sharp portion. So select that edge, click fillet icon and enter the radius as 1 mm. Here is the moment of truth, and that's how we recreated this metal nail in FreeCAD using only real world measurements. If you found this video useful, give it a like, subscribe for more reverse engineering and FreeCAD tutorials, and let me know in the comments which object you would like me to reverse engineer next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.